Hey guys, this is Tanya Atomic, and this is Boxycharm unboxing close-up for March. Here is my box, and here we go. Oh, my cat wants out, sorry. Here is all the Marchy goodness here. Lucky must be the theme. That's all the stuff that comes in it. Let's take a look. So first is this 111, I don't know, 111 Skin Diamond Contour Gel. What is contour gel? Let's read about it. Where are we? Contour gel is a peptide treatment gel. Lines and wrinkles. Okay, cool. Should we open this up? Should we, you guys? You're getting a sneak peek at some of the other stuff. Okay, so it just comes in this package. I'm so sorry about Onyx. He really wants out. Max is out. Ooh, look at that applicator. I guess you pump it out here, and then you apply that to your face so you don't touch it with your fingers. I don't know. Anyway, then here's this Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisturizing Cream. Is this for the body or just the face? Daily moisturizer onto clean skin. I think this is for face, and it has vitamin C, which is good for your skin. Should we open this one? Yeah, you're getting like my hand. Big giant hand here. I don't know how to open this. I'm having trouble opening this. Okay, let's move on. The next thing is Frank Body Glow Caffeinated Glow Mask. Interesting. I will try it. And then lip oil. Cobb lip oil. We will open this one to see what this looks like. Okay, cool. Lip oil. I use lip oil sometimes, kind of as a moisturizing agent. Yeah, I'll try it. Seems cool. And the very last thing is this beauty blender sponge. Or, I shouldn't say that. It's a Illuminati beauty sponge. Beauty blender is a brand. Okay, cool. So all of this is basically skincare. There's not really makeup in this box. That's everything. Tell me what you think. Do you like these close-ups? Probably not if I can't open this box up, huh? Or do you want to see my big smiling face? Let me know. Let me know in the comments what you think. Okay, here it is. Okay. I see. That's cool. It's in a nice glass jar. Okay. But yeah, let me know what you think. Do you want to see more of these close-ups, or do you want to see my face? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.